Hi everybody, welcome to another review video. Today I'm going to be reviewing this new e-file by MelodySusie, so make sure you stay tuned. So jumping right in, I'm going to unbox this e-file. It's the new S series by MelodySusie. They were so kind to send this to me so I could test it out and review it for you all. So it's a cute little pink, compact, rechargeable, portable e-file. And it's a nice, sleek, simple design. It's not too heavy. The handpiece feels pretty good in my hands. It's nice. Again, everything is nice, sleek, compact. That's the first impressions I got from the e-file. And then in the box, it comes with, the standard warranty and instruction manual. So when you do get this e-file, make sure you go over that. Another layer in the box is all this stuff that it comes with. One being the charger. And I think that's like the USB-C type of charger, if I have that correct. So I'm just gonna go ahead and plug that in so you can see, so I can charge it a little bit before I use it. So now that I have everything all plugged in, I'm just going to let this e-file charge for a little bit while I look at all the other little things that come in the box. So as you can see here, we've got some sanding bands, we've got some nail bits, and I'm excited. I was excited to try these nail bits out. I don't really use ceramic nail bits, so I have used that one, this blue, the white ceramic nail bit, and I kind of like it for finish filing. Now we're going to do the sound test. So my final thoughts about this e-file is I think it's great for at-home use or as a backup e-file. I use it for my pedicures, so I have one e-file that I use for my nail services, and then this is the e-file that I use for my pedicure services, and I find that that works out really well for me. It's a great starter e-file for sure if you're looking for something that's affordable yet durable. And yeah, so I like it. I think it's not a bad purchase. It wouldn't be a bad buy for anyone that's looking to get a backup e-file or that's doing nails from home, as a nail enthusiast. And MelodySusie has a bunch of other options for the e-files and stuff as well, so this isn't the only one. So you can check out their website and see what else they have. But yeah, I mean, MelodySusie has been in the game for a while. I mean, they have great products, great quality products, so I've never had any issues with the products that they sent me. So I feel pretty confident saying that even if you don't get this e-file, anything else, any other e-file on their website will probably do you really well. So you'll just have to look around and see what works best for you. But yeah, I like this. I like it. I use it for my pedicures. I like the fact that I have a backup e-file, so I'm grateful that MelodySusie sent this to me because I was looking for another e-file that I can use for my pedicures only, so that I could have two e-files in stock. So yeah, those are my final thoughts. Let me know what you think. If you've used this, if you've used other MelodySusie products before, I have, I like them, I recommend them all the time. So, and then the following clip, you'll see the end result of her nails. But anyway, thank y'all for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!